You don't have to be a teacher to use this pretty planner. Hi, I'm May and I make printable planners and stickers. I made these beautiful pages that you can use to make a custom teacher planner and the bullet journal. We have a timetable, communication log, student information, and the birthday page so you can easily know who are celebrating their birthdays. This is A5 size, but you can also print this on A4 size paper and add to your files like the calendar and dashboard for the month. Next are the pages that you can use for bullet journaling. Intentions, goals, and actions for the week or the month, a timeline for monthly logging, and the future log for 2 months. You can use the notes pages or insert notebook paper for your daily logs and collections. If you need more structure, then you can try the weekly and daily planners. There are more templates to choose from, and you can see them all here. Get these pretty pages from my shop or print a freebie page to try it out. All the links are in the description, plus more freebies from my website. Happy planning!